SIRUI AM-223 tripod. This is a tabletop tripod. Unboxing it. Okay, it looks like it comes in two little pouches. And here's Allen key, some instructions. Here's the bag for the sticks, and I think this is going to be the ball mount. Let me get the sticks open first. This is kind of a standard type of canvas style tripod case. It's got a nice big thick rope-like strap that's permanently sewn in to the canvas bag. Open it up. Here are the different feet, the spiked feet, if you want to swap them out if you're going on grass. Okay, so here are the sticks. This is the carbon fiber. There is an aluminum version, I believe, with the same sort of the similar specifications besides being carbon fiber. And as you can see, this is small. This is about maybe 1 foot, 12 inches in its collapsible state. On the top here, this is the 3/8 thread. There's no center column. That's what the legs look like. If you've owned any kind of SIRUI's travel-friendly carbon fiber legs, this feels the exact same. Same colors, same feel. Let's open this up. Then let's open up some leg. This is the twist shape. Oh, and then here, it looks like you have your measurements, but no measurements on this center leg. The turning knobs, they're okay, about average. You don't have to do a bunch of turns, but it's not the quickest turn like the foul cam that I've used. Yeah, it feels very light, almost hollow. Here's the bottom. That looks like a quarter 20 right there that you could screw something in on the bottom if you wanted to. And then now the legs here, this release opens up and it looks like there's three orientations. So there's this normal orientation, you open it wide. Then you could do right there like that. Let me just do all of the legs. About that wide. And then you can go all the way down like that. This could be used for a bunch of applications, not just for cameras. You could put audio equipment, some smaller lights. This could be the base of a monopod. And I think their monopods have something similar to this. But now let me open their head, included ball mount head. And this one has a nicer padded case, not the same texture or fabric as the other case for the legs. Open up this pouch. Oh, another packet of candy. Don't eat that. Yeah, in the inside, it's very protective, for as protective as something like a soft pouch can be. And here is the head. One knob for the pan. This other knob controls the ball. And then this right here releases the arc of Swiss. This is like a half arc of Swiss. It's not a full arc of Swiss. You have this safety release. But then if you untighten it all the way, it's going to fall out. Hit the button. And that's the bottom of the quarter 20. There's only one quarter 20. Pretty simple design. Pretty easy. Fairly lightweight. This is aluminum, or I think it's aluminum. It's not carbon fiber. And there you go. Pretty easy. Fairly sturdy here. You can look the specs up for yourself to see the weight limitations, but you know, this is not going to be, I wouldn't put a whole red camera on here, but anything as small as a mirrorless camera should be fine. And then if you're wondering, you don't need to unscrew it and put them in its separate cases anymore. This can be used for anything. And you can fit the entire tripod with the head in the canvas case all the way. And then you don't even have to turn the ball mount down. Sometimes you got to turn the ball mount down like that. You can to have more room, but it could also fit all the way up. All the way in the bag. If you want something like this, I think this is pretty good.